Look how cute you are. And your little Glamis beanie, eating an apple in the dunes. Can you say life is good, Miles? Life is good, huh? I just want to say to Justin and Amy with Lulu's Offroad that we may not be making poached eggs for Eggs Benedict over here, because I don't have a poacher thingy that y'all have, but we do eat good still. We got some sausage. I buttered this toast, about to put some strawberry jelly on there. Yeah, and then I got some eggs I'm frying. About to pop the yolk. You need a good solid breakfast, guys, when you're in the dunes to prepare you for the day, like, because it's like hard work to go and drive, and you need the protein and the like nutrients. So yeah, what is your breakfast ideas? What do you eat? Cereal? Processed foods? Make some sausage, guys. This sausage, I tell you what, it's like breakfast Italian sausage. Oh, and we like it a little burnt. We do like it well done, a little crispy. What's your favorite breakfast food in the dunes? I see y'all out there cooking up bacon and sausage and eggs and burritos, breakfast burritos. I just love food, guys. If you're new to the channel, you won't know that, but if you've been around with us, you'll know. I love to eat. Food makes me happy, and yeah, I mean, who wants to be hungry?
Good morning, everybody. I don't know if Chris said good morning or not. I know what you're thinking. What's going on here? Brian's throwout bearing is sticking. The releases the clutch, so he's got it off the ground. He's played with it a bunch trying to fix it, and it sucks. It's such a nice sand rail, and for that to be happening, we're on a new, fresh build. It stinks for him, but he's a smart guy. I'm sure he'll get it figured out. Anyways, guys, Chris is gonna chill here for a little bit. I'm gonna go out and ride, catch up with Greg and Amy and Ashley and Jared, and then just ride for a little bit. Then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna grab Kristen. We're gonna go somewhere else. Who knows what we're doing, but let's go somewhere. Hey guys. Okay, I was gonna go to the hill. I did actually go to the hill, and they had already came back, and then I had ran into Doug, a subscriber, who actually was telling me about the fire. They were actually there, and they were pulling like other trailers and stuff out, trying to get the trailers away from the fire, and somebody actually witnessed the fire starting from the battery compartment, and they tried to put it out, and the propane caught on fire, and they couldn't do anything to stop the fire. So kudos to whoever you are that did that, as far as trying to put the fire out. To Doug and his group for trying to help out as much as they could. That's really awesome, you guys. That's why I love this community, man, because this community, like, yeah, there's some bad apples in it, but I don't think it spoils the bunch. And you know, so anyhow, let's go for a ride. We got Kristen now.
It's time to go ride.
Yeah, told y'all I would go get her.
Jess, let's go have fun, because Papa Jack let Mike and Jess from Canada borrow his Turbo R. So wait, did the belt fall off?
He broke his supercharger belt.
Oh no! Do you have an extra?
I do.
Oh, well, that's
Always
good.
carry extra.
Look at that! Where's your roll-up bag?
I don't have it with me because I've got Jack with me all the time. Jack has
Where's
a whole
Jack?
Home Depot.
Oh, but Jack does. We do have all of Jack's pack outs and
Jack's
stuff.
like a Home Depot, like he has a whole Home Depot department in there, tool. So we're good.
We are good. We've had a couple people ask for a walk around of Papa Jack's Turbo R. So while we're stopped here, while they're changing out the supercharger belt, let's give you guys a quick walk around and tour And then Jonathan, if you guys have any questions or anything, Jonathan, drop them in the comments and Jonathan can reply. So we'll start with the wheels. So Papa Jack's got a nice set of Packard wheels on here with the Scat Tracks. Look at these. I love the Packard wheels. So we got some Blackbirds, STUs, and then the brand new doors. So we have the Moto Armor doors that they just installed, that Mike helped him install. He is working on doing a full wrap. So right now she's kind of multicolored, but inevitably the wrap is gonna have like a really cool dragon theme. Papa Jack loves dragons. So it'll be this kind of blood red mixed in with some gray on the springs here. Some of those colors. So then we've got the RSK front end, the RSK hood here, and then some of the RSK inserts. I don't know where his front grille is. I don't know. And then, of course, we have an RSK cage, Rebel style Kustoms, with the grab bars in the rear and the front. All of the extra gussets here. We've got nice big ol' moon roof. Vision roof is what it's called by Rebel RSK. And it's two-tone too, and it has the inset light bar, MB Whips light bar here. So yeah, you can see here this gray trim with the red. Those are gonna be some of the colors incorporated into the wrap once he does that. The interior and everything is still stock. The car is completely stock performance-wise, but I do believe I don't know. I'll have to ask Jonathan. But then, of course, we've got the Trinity exhaust. Stage 5 Trinity exhaust here. Sounds really nice. And we've got RC cars ripping around. So, oh, and then we've got a, aftermarket Tusk gasoline cap. So that's Papa Jack's machine. It's a beautiful car, and he loves it. He loves it. He loves ripping around in it. He's done so good. He's awesome. I love my Pop. So that's Jack's Turbo R. Let me give you guys a full view here. She's only gonna look better. Only gonna look better. Riker's over here ripping around his RC truck. Woo! Give me a jump, Riker.
Give the people what they want. Send it.
Woo!
They have to do better than that.
Yeah.
Looks like there's a good lip over there.
That was anticlimactic.
You're
There's a
standing
lip
on
right
it.
there, like right where
Behind
you're
you.
at.
Send it. Go.
Yeah! Nice.
Annie. Oh, that was clean. Clean landing.
That's not gonna help too much.
Hush.
You having a problem? Oh, I see you having a problem getting it to go.
What is it, Riker?
We got a leaker. Sandwich. I don't know if that's AC fluid. Gas.
Antifreeze.
Push this belt out of the way at all, or is it just doing this?
Thank you, Ashley. I think I know why you know this.
Huh?
I think you know why.
Oh man.
Why you know this?
Why?
Some Sandcore probably did this.
Who?
No, because I know cars. I don't know if you know this, but I drive around a snap on
I know
with
that.
all the tools.
Damn, that's
So I know more.
Calm down. You be grateful that you're here to begin with.
Hey, Jonathan, that's what you said once about my dad. We've been here for half an hour. We've been there for like
we, babe?
10 minutes fixing the belt.
He's trying to
Kids
call
are
you
like
out.
sponges, guys. Like you gotta they absorb and then they remember.
Oh, yeah.
Like you remember what you did January 10th, 2029? No, I don't, because it hasn't even happened yet. You know what I mean?
What was that? The hose?
Yeah, it's so the way the supercharger is on here. I'll show you guys when Brian gets done. I just want to stay out of his way for a second, but it you have to pull the coolant line off to put a new serpentine belt on it, and that's wild to me. I don't know who decided that was a good design. I know it wasn't Brian.
like the Can-Am.
I was gonna say Can-Am might have had a hand in designing that.
Yeah, Can-Am, I actually had some. You might actually own part Can-Am because that sounds like something the Can-Am engineers do. Shots fired.
I do have to show what the walk around of Jack's Turbo are, that this is what he comes packed with, and luckily we've got power tools, we've got tow ropes, we've got a full roll kit of all the tools you could possibly need. Jonathan says he's like the Home Depot of the dunes. Anything you may need, Papa Jack's got it. Okay, we got her fixed. She's ready to roll. Let's go to China.
What's up, guys? I'm actually going to cut this video a little short because it's so much that there's just no way I could get this video out before tonight, and I wanted to give you guys at least part of our day because there was so much that happened in that one day that to make the video itself is even going to the video is going to be 45-50 minutes long, so I'm going to cut it into 2 sections. We're currently in Glamis. Just finished family trip. It was freaking awesome. We just wanted to tell you guys thank you so much. We appreciate all the love you've given us, all the people that have sponsored us or allowed us to be a brand ambassador for their brand. Check below. And then if you guys can be patient with me, I'll have another video out ready on Wednesday. We're just trying to catch up with everything because it's been a long, awesome week for family trip. And if you've never been to family trip, it's awesome. I would definitely recommend going. And of course, in true Glamis fashion, it's empty now and it's a dust storm. So from here on, I guess, have an awesome night, and we'll see you on Wednesday with the rest of this day's video. All right, see you, bye.